All right, so here's a recent example of where I really had to use a lot of math in my baking. I got an order for a joint birthday party. So somebody was turning 50, 40, somebody was turning 50, somebody was turning 60, and it was an NFL theme. They wanted marble cupcakes. So each cupcake was a combination of vanilla and chocolate, and you can kind of see that in the picture here. So I went and got my favorite vanilla and chocolate cupcake recipe, and I've crossed it out there, but it said, okay, well, each one made 24 cupcakes. So I needed 60 cupcakes, but they kind of needed to be half white and half chocolate. So I needed basically enough batter for 30 of each. Well, the recipe says it makes 24 each. That wasn't going to be enough. So I had to think, well, okay, so I need 6 extra, which is 1/4 more than the original recipe. So as you can see, I have these little numbers over here, which would make 30 cupcakes. So originally it was a half a cup of butter, which is 8 tablespoons. So 1 1/4 of that is 10 tablespoons. So you see all my numbers in red here were the 1 1/4.